It's 8 o'clock in the morning, Washington, D.C. After the snowstorm of yesterday and last night, place is still bleaky and dark and cloudy and gloomy and snowy. The roads are plowed and salted, but there's still some spots that is not accessible. All the roofs still have snow on them. Check that out. I'm on the roof, clearing snow. So this is what it looks like, and it's predicted that we're having more snow coming in today and later down in the week. I think it's Friday. So every rooftop you could see is filled with snow. So I think it might be snowing all day today. Not like a blizzard. Sometimes, like now, it's kind of slushy between rain and snow. And the thing with this, when you have the wind gusting through, it takes off some of the snow from the roofs and blow it like a snow shower. So this is a North American life. Gotta deal with the snow and the freezing cold. I think the schools are closed, government jobs are closed, but there's limited. The buses are running, but not on schedule. There's a limited delays, but they are running. So that's where we are, in the heart of Washington, D.C.